This is my R34 Skyline, and it does not sound like a Skyline. But I have something to fix that. I want to thank Reinhard Japan for sending this out to me to install on my very own car. But yeah, let's get into it and more on Reinhard later. So first up, we need to jack up the car. So let's do that right now. Alright, so the car's up and let's get to taking this off. Alright, so let's start going underneath the car and see what we need to take off. Oh my god, the bolt is so rusted on, so I think we gotta take it to a shop and see what's going on with it. So behind the catalytic converter, there are two bolts that need to come out, so that's what he took out first. Next, you undo the hangers that keeps the exhaust in place, so they undo that, and then the exhaust should come down. I was so tempted to ask to start it up without anything there. Next, you put on the new gaskets. After that, you install the first tube. It was good too. The mechanics at the shop, they were actually complimenting the build quality, and they're like, wow, this actually fits perfect onto the car. And then you bolt it in. And then you put another gasket there. Now he brings the final piece of exhaust. You attach it to the other pipe. And then near the exhaust tips, there's a little bracket thing that attaches it to the car so it doesn't sag or hang. And there we have it, our exhaust is on. Again, I want to thank Reinhard for sponsoring this video and sponsoring my build. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. If you are looking for a high quality exhaust system straight from Japan, go check them out. They have exhausts for almost every JDM legend. And yeah, if you go to their website, reinhard.jp, you can see their big catalog that they have, and you know, just let them know that I sent you. So here it is, the exhaust from Reinhard. Titanium tips, it is really nice. It's a catback exhaust, and you can get yourself one at reinhard.jp. They can help you out. They have exhaust for every JDM legend that you can think of, like Supra, RX-7, R34, even the R34 sedan, like me. But yeah, if you have anything, you can always fill out the form on their website for your needs. And yeah, let's get to starting up this thing. this myself, but there was an issue about the rusted bolts and the rubber that it hangs to. So the shop was struggling also, but they managed to get it on and it turned out perfect. Sounds good, it doesn't drone, it's just amazing. So yeah, make sure you check Reinhard out. That right in front of a cop. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.